in People Representation Act, which clearly is Association of People, Association of Citizens. On the other side, according to the PMLA, it is Association of People, and therefore the Enforcement Directorate categorically stated that they are considering Aam Aadmi Party as a company in this case, and this includes a political party and an association of citizens. Now, when they are considering it as a company, certainly there would be a director and a CEO, to which the Enforcement Directorate is considering Arvind Kejriwal, because he is a national convener of a political party. He is the director and CEO, and it has been also stated that Arvind Kejriwal is deemed to be guilty of offences punishable under Section 4 of the PMLA. Certainly, it has been argued in the court by Abhishek Manu Singhvi, stating that this argument of respondent was misplaced and liable to be rejected. Of course, we know that Aam Aadmi Party has moved to Supreme Court. They will be challenging this order. But on the other side, it was also stated by S.V. Raju that during the argument, that if they attach the properties of Aam Aadmi Party now, then the Aam Aadmi Party will say that they are doing just because elections are around the corner. If they attach the property later, then they will say that why didn't they attach it earlier? So it is a dilemma for the Enforcement Directorate, and therefore the reason perhaps when the Delhi court has stated an unprecedented order for the very first time that a political party could be an accused in this case according to the PMLA, and they are deemed to be a company in this case, then certainly more trouble for Aam Aadmi Party, as we can see that in the upcoming days there could be more attachment of properties, assets of Aam Aadmi Party if the Enforcement Directorate thinks that they are considering a political party as a company, and they attach it their properties and they consider it as an accused in the case.
Right. This also comes at a time that, we heard that Arvind Kejriwal will be meeting with other Aam Aadmi Party leaders, including Sanjay Singh, and Bhagwat Mann inside Tihar jail. But that, request has also been rejected for now.
Well, certainly, Tihar prison manuals clearly states that they have their own rules, they have their own set of manuals, and an application was moved earlier by Bhagwant Mann and Sanjay Singh to meet Arvind Kejriwal inside the Tihar prison, which was rejected. It has been stated that due to security concerns, the later date will be given to both the leaders to meet Arvind Kejriwal, and on that day only they should come to meet. Of course, it was earlier issued by the Aam Aadmi Party that both the leaders, including Sanjay Singh and Bhagwant Mann, will be going to Tihar prison today, but that request was rejected by the Tihar prison authorities.
Aishwarya, this also comes at a time when the BJP is planning a protest, and they are planning to protest very close to the Aam Aadmi Party's office here in the national capital.
Well, certainly a demand after yesterday's Delhi High Court had been escalated by the Bharatiya Janata Party. They are asking Arvind Kejriwal to resign from the post of the Chief Minister. This has been done through the legal battle as well. Remember, there were several petitions that were moved in the Delhi High Court earlier by Hindu Sena leaders or the former Aam Aadmi Party MLA as well, but that was rejected. But on the other side, a chorus amongst the Bharatiya Janata Party Karyakartas and leaders have grown, and therefore the reason perhaps a protest has been planned today at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters by the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders, in which BJP Delhi Unit President Viren Sachdeva will also be in attendance, and they will be demanding Arvind Kejriwal to step down as a Chief Minister because they think that Delhi government can't function from the jail. But on the contrary, remember, Aam Aadmi Party has already launched a campaign that Jail Ka Jawab Vote Se, and they are saying that the Chief Minister, whether be it inside the prison or outside the prison, the government will continue to function from jail.
Right. The BJP at large echoing those emotions, asking for the Chief Minister to step down. We heard Hardeep Puri calling Arvind Kejriwal shameless to continue as a Chief Minister behind bars. He has gone on to say that it's the ED that has provided with information regarding how Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin, which is why he must, resign at the soonest.
Well, certainly on the moral grounds is something that Bharatiya Janata Party leaders are asking Arvind Kejriwal to step down. But yesterday as well, there was a press conference that was done by Saurabh Bharadwaj after the Delhi High Court order came in which Saurabh Bharadwaj categorically stated that these are all illegal cases against Arvind Kejriwal, bogus statements being made by the approvers, and on those behalf, Arvind Kejriwal is arrested. There is no single money which has been recovered till now. But it was Enforcement Directorate who had given enough evidences to the Delhi High Court, be it the WhatsApp chats, Hawala operator statements, which clearly had proved the money trail and how the money was funded to Goa. It was yesterday different BJP leaders. The Aam Aadmi Party has just collapsed because it had admitted that Arvind Kejriwal, being the national convener of a national political party, was involved and he is the main kingpin, and on those behalfs, on moral grounds, Arvind Kejriwal should resign at the soonest from the post of the Chief Minister.
Right, and also his bail plea that was rejected by the High Court will now be coming up in the Supreme Court at about 10:30 this morning.